Thanks for joining for this week's plant of the week. This one here is called Chamaecyparis pisifera, or Gold False Cypress. This one here is a very, very hardy evergreen, especially into the cold zones of zone 3 or 4. It will tend to lose some of its color in the wintertime for obvious reasons, and the more sun you give it, the more gold it gets. It's a very, very good, soft, elegant looking. You think it's almost like a juniper, but it is not. It is from the cypress family, the false cypress family. And you can see that up on the top, where it was growing at the growing grounds, the golden color, and then down underneath will be the standard cypress type of green to it. Doesn't have flower. It is an evergreen, and it loves a slightly acidic soil. You can combine this with in some parts of the country, you can combine this with the more sun-tolerant hydrangeas. You can have them in the back and something like this. The foliage contrast would be fantastic. Goes to about 4 feet, can stretch as far as 5 over a long-term happy life. But I like them as far as a mid-bed. Mid-bed, not the backdrop, not the front, mid-bed, and plant them in mass. Space them out 6-8 feet, and then let them fill in between your backdrop and your border plants. Yep, Golden False Cypress. Good find up here in Vermont, and it would be perfect for up in this area. I don't know how it would perform in the tropical areas. I'm assuming it probably would, but it likes the colder winters to take a rest, take a vacation, and they do very, very well, especially in that acidic soils. Okay, Golden False Cypress, this week's plant of the week. Hey, I'm Coach. I'll catch you guys next week. You guys take care.